how to make a human in Infinity Graph. In this video, I'll show you how to make a human on Infinite Graph. So to get started, go ahead and open Infinite Graph into your browser. And then in here, go ahead and drag wind and earth into your canvas. Mix them up by putting it above each other, and that will turn into dust. And then drag the earth into your canvas and mix it with dust to create planet. And then drag dust and wind into your canvas to be able to create a sandstorm. So go ahead and do that. And then after creating a sandstorm, go ahead and mix that up with the planet. So place it above each other to create Mars, and then drag Earth into your canvas and then mix it with Mars to create life, and then place this above life to be able to create a human. And that is how you can basically make a human in Infinity Graph.